So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you reset your VS Code settings. This can be done in two ways. Like one is from your file manager and other is from your VS Code directly. So firstly let's move in our VS Code and let's see how it can be done. See, in this way you can reset your VS Code to your basic settings. In that what actually is, now let me close this one firstly. Okay, so So what you have to do now is you have to click in settings here and then just go here, or you can directly do this. Just press Control and this comma button. So what you have to do now is you can see here in top right corner there is a button named as Open settings.json. This will open a settings.json file. So I think you might know or get a hint something like that. Now what you have to do is you have to just clear it out and just save this one. When you will save this, you can see that my theme is now changed to normal theme, which is the default theme of VS Code. So this is the first way to reset all the settings of your VS Code. Now if you want it back, since I want my theme back, so I will just redo this and save this again. Now my settings are normal again. So now what you have to do is, now let's close this firstly to see what can be done in next way. Now open your file manager and then go in cdisk. After that you have to go in users, then select the user which you are currently using. Then what you have to do is you have to go in app data, after that roaming, after that code, after that users, yeah, this user one, and then you will see a file named as settings.json. Just delete this, or you can do one thing, just open it from notepad, open with, and then choose another app and use notepad here. After that just clear it out. This is almost the same as first way. Just save this, and now if you open your VS Code, you will see that your VS Code is again normal to default settings. So that's it for this video guys. Now let's see you next